Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a lot of people have this question that is AI replacing IT jobs in 2026? Because recently we have seen massive layoffs in many IT companies. So this question comes that is AI really replacing IT jobs? So this is what I want to convey in this video with my analysis. Just to give you my introduction, I have like around 18 years of IT experience working across various geographies, various time zones, various domains, and various clients' businesses. So, guys, the conversation around AI replacing IT jobs has shifted from if to how. As of this year, we are seeing a skill earthquake where AI is not deleting the IT sector, but it is aggressively pruning entry level, repetitive, and script based roles. The reality is a paradox. While some roles vanish, AI is projected to create a lot of new roles for those who can pivot from being doers to architects. The vulnerability is what is being replaced. AI is very effective at tasks that are rule based, predictable, and data heavy. If your job involves following a recipe, it's at a high risk. Means if your job involves following a pattern, it's at a high risk. Okay. So I'm going to go by some rules and I'm going to tell you how is that is. For example, junior developers and manual QA, you are at high risk. AI can generate boilerplate code and run basic unit tests faster than humans. Level 1 technical support, very high risk. Conversational AI agents handle standard troubleshooting and handling ticket handling automatically. Data entry basic analysis, this is too high. AI excels at cleaning data and generating standard reports without human intervention. System administration routine, this is medium because scripting updates and server monitoring are increasingly handled by autonomous AI operations tool, but for certain activities still like human interference is required. Okay, so these were some roles that were at medium to high risk. Now coming to the skills, what you should learn in this year and so. To stay relevant in your field, you must move up the value chain. The goal is to focus on skills AI is currently struggling with in terms of complexity, context, and collaboration. If you want to go for hard technical skills, AI ML integration, not just usage. Don't just learn how to use AI. I mean, Chat GPT anyone can use. Learn how to build and maintain the plumbing. Focus on machine learning operations, retrieval augmented generation, and fine tuning models for specific business needs. Cybersecurity is again a very good skill. This is the shield as AI makes cyber attacks more sophisticated because even attackers are using AI, scammers are using AI. So you have to protect, you have to fight against AI too. AI, so that means people, those who are security architects and those who can take decisions, they cannot be replaced by AI because their judgments are gonna last, because we cannot have AI fighting with AI. Some human intervention have to be there, right? So that's why cyber security is there. Cloud architecture and FinOps, moving to the cloud is easy. Doing it efficiently is harder. Understanding multi-cloud environments and optimizing spend is a high-value human skill. Prompt engineering and agentic design, moving beyond simple queries to building AI agents that can autonomously execute multi-step workflows. You need to develop modern soft skills too. System thinking, see how different technologies interact. AI is great at part, humans are still needed for the whole. Critical debugging is required since AI can generate code that look correct, but you have to review the code, you have to do the checks, you have to make sure that AI has not exposed any bugs that can be exploited later. Okay. Business translation, so how you can, you need, AI has the ability to explain to stakeholders why a certain AI implementation solves. Okay, but then human intervention is required too. Now new roles are emerging because of AI, okay, like AI ethics and compliance officer. You need these to be regulated, right? Workflow automation designer, okay, human AI collaboration specialist. So new roles are also being created because of all this. So I explained. Let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.